By the end of this video, you will know how to add a user to your organization in make.com. Start by signing in to your make.com account. Once you are in, go to your organization and open the users page. This is the area where you can manage the people who already have access and send new invitations when you need to add someone. Make sure you are inside the correct organization before continuing, especially if your account is connected to more than one. On the users page, look for the invite user option and click it. This opens the invitation form where you will enter the details for the person you want to add. If the form appears in a pop-up window or side panel, keep your focus there because the rest of the process happens in that form. Next, enter the user's email address in the email field. Use the email address that the person will use for access to the organization. Check the spelling before moving on, since the invitation will be sent to exactly what you enter here. If there is a typo, the user may not receive the invitation. After that, move to the name field and type the user's name. This helps identify the invited person inside the organization and makes the invitation details clearer when you review them. Enter the name as you want it to appear in your workspace. Then open the role dropdown and select the role that fits this user. The available options include admin, app developer, member, guest, and accountant. Choose the role that matches the level of access this person should have in the organization. This is worth checking carefully before you send the invite, since the selected role determines what the user will be able to access after joining. If you want to include extra context, use the note field next. This part is optional, so you can leave it blank if there is nothing to add. If needed, type a short note to include with the invitation. This can be useful if you want to mention why the person is being added or give brief context that goes along with the invite. Once the email, name, role, and optional note are in place, review the form one final time. Confirm that the details are correct, especially the email address and selected role. When everything looks right, click Save to send the invitation. After you click Save, Make.com sends the invite to the user you entered. At that point, the invitation has been created and sent from your organization, and the user can proceed from their side when they receive it. The user invitation has now been sent to your organization from Make.com.